I encountered one question, and that was, in which layer error detection be performed. The first question is that why not in physical layer? Because that is the first layer. Actually, the physical layer's job is to convert the signals into the bits. And for example, if you are reading some dictionary and every word is connected to each other, there is no space, there is no way that you can identify that this is the starting of the word and this is the ending of the word, then how would you recognize that word? Once, and that is what physical layer do. It actually just gives you stream of zeros and ones, and you cannot identify where the bit is starting and where the bit is ending. This and actually the what human does is basically it recognize the information when it is in chunks. That is why words develop. In the same way digital system works, they also recognize information when it is in chunks. So this is what data link layer does. It's basically group all those bits into frames, and what frame does is basically provides the starting point and ending point of the streams. So basically it says that now this stream is this kind of like word, like the way we say this is the word. In the same way frame data link layer creates frames. Now error detection can be done on that. How it is done? In the same way, the human recognize, like for example, if there is a word, a human can recognize, okay, now there is a spelling mistake. So how it recognized that like this is the spelling mistake? Because it has some previous information and it can match with that information. If it is not matching with the previous knowledge, then there is an error. In the same way the sender and receiver does this. When the frame is passed from sender to receiver, the redundancy bits added onto that on from sender side, and when it reaches to receiver does the same calculation and checks whether it matches with the results he performed. And if it matches, then there is no error. If it doesn't matches, like in the same way in for human, if spelling does not matches with the previous knowledge, then it is wrong, error detection. In the same way, if sender sees that there is an error, like if there is a mismatch, then there is an error. So this is what basically error detection mechanism is.